Hello folks, welcome back to the channel, Fix It with FC. Today I'm going to do a review on the Saker mini electric chainsaw. Now this is made for home use, for pruning and up to cutting 4-inch wood. Now I can see that it is very solidly made, okay, and it has a hand guard here. This is I don't know if it's strong enough, but it's not made for strength, it's made for protection. Now it comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery, 20 volt. Took me about an hour and 15 minutes to charge. I don't know the charge level when I received the unit, but it comes with all the tools to do the maintenance. It comes with a oil, comes with a little wrench to tighten up the chain. This my first impression is this is good for around the house and small pruning. So what we're going to do is take it outside and we're going to put it through its paces. Stick with me. Okay, we're here for the test. What we're going to do is we're going to put just a couple of drops of oil on the chain. Not too much. And then we're going to check the chain. Chain is supposed to be 2 to 3 millimeters, which that looks like it. Okay, now if the chain needs tightening, they give you this tool to loosen it, and then this goes in here to tighten it. Now we'll put the battery in, give it a test. It's ready to go. Okay, here comes the first test. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon and give me a like. It goes a long way to supporting the channel. And here's another use for the Saker mini chainsaw. Make short work of that.